Welcome to. In this video, we will learn the external part of the transformer, and I have explained the internal parts also in the last video. So if you are watching first time, so you can check out the internal part from the above link or check out the description box. So let's start the external parts or component. So there are different types of components. All these components are used to keep the transformer safe at the time of working. Step by step, we will learn the all components and its working principle. Let's see the conservator tank. It is a small tank which is used in high power transformer. Only for high power transformer you can see it. So it is connected above the main tank. The main tank and the conservator tank are connected to each other through a pipe. The working of the conservator tank is very simple. Look, the 50% part of this conservator tank is filled with oil and the other 50% is empty, or it is a gap, and in this gap you know that transformer tank is filled with oil, and during the working of the transformer it created or it produces heat. So if the heat level is extreme level, at that time the oil try to expand, so that time needs extra phase. So this space used at that time and keep the transformer safe. Right, if there is no extra phase, the oil try to expand it, but there is no extra phase at that time, so it will blast, right? So need space to expand the oil. That's why the conservator tank, there is extra space, okay? And the space is filled with air. The space is filled with air, obviously there is a gap. The gap is cannot empty. Breather is a device which is used for breathing of transformer. It means air goes in or out from the transformers. So when the hot oil expands, air goes out from the transformer, and when the oil contracts after cooling, the air enters the transformer. Okay, normally the incoming air maybe consists of moisture and dirt, and it may be causes of damage inside the transformer, different types of damage maybe. So that's why the silica gel is used inside the breather. When the air entered the transformer through this breather, the silica gel absorbs the moisture. Only dry air enters into the transformer. So here you can see it. This breather also have an oil cup fitted with, so that the dust particle gets settled in the cup. Okay. So oil is used for dust. So silica gel is used for moisture and oil is used for dust. Okay, both are cleaned by this process, and only dry air can enter in the transformer. Next is glucose relay. It is placed over the connecting pipe that runs from the main tank to the conservator tank. The purpose of this device is to give the protection to a transformer from the different faults happening in the transformer, like short circuit, inertron, core, incipient, etc. If there is any fault inside the transformer, so it automatically switch off the transformer or shut down the transformer. Okay, just like you can think it just like a MCB. MCB also same process work. So I will make a video particular how the glucose relay work. Okay, so it is a technical part, so I will explain it with another video. Next part is radiator. The radiator of the transformer accelerates the cooling rate of the transformer. Thus, it plays a vital role in increasing the loading capacity of the electrical transformer. This is the basic function of the radiator. Okay, so I am sharing an animation so that you will get the idea how the radiator works. Actually, inside the radiator there is very small thin pipe. Okay, when a transformer is loaded, the current data is flowing through its winding. The radiator of the transformer accelerates the cooling rate of the transformer. Okay, so it is the basic method of radiator. So you can see this animation so that you will get the idea how does the radiator works. The main work of the radiator, the hot oil inside the tank passing through its own pipe, so that when the passing the oil through a long distance, automatically it will reduces the heat and again cool the oil. And this cycle happens again and again inside this radiator. Okay, so that's why it accelerates the transformer cooling system. So also there is conservator tank to expand the oil, but if there is any danger level, so this radiator also works side by side. Okay, bushing. So next is bushing. Bushing are used to bring winding terminals out from the tank and also used for insulation. For example, so there is two type bushing. One is LV, low voltage bushing, or you can see this, it is a HV, high voltage bushing. Also you can see some transformer cooling fans. The radiator is used for cooling system, but also there is a cooling fan, some big transformer like 26 MVA and the above transformer cooling fans are also used on radiator. So you can see this image, the radiator fan is used. Okay, oil temperature gauge provide on or off signal for the cooling fans. When the temperature becomes generate more than 75%, the temperature oil gauge turn on the cooling fans, and the method of the cooling is called the ONAF, oil, nature and air forced. So oil, nature, air force, we will learn the type of transformer. Okay, the cooling system, based on the cooling system, different type of transformer. So it is a topic. So if there is any very good feedback from all of you, I will make another video. Type of transformer. Based on their cooling system, there are different types of transformers. So ONAF is a one type of transformer. Okay, if I get very good feedback for this video, I will make another video obviously. Okay, the last is explosion vent. Okay, explosion vent or explosion valve. So explosion vent is used, the last stage of the transformer is explosion vent. All these device or part used to keep the transformer safe. Okay, so it is the last part. If the all devices are fulfilled, there is no way, then the explosion vent. So the main problem of the transformer is heating problem. So there is a oil. If the oil temperature is too much hot, just like you can think when we boil the milk on the oven, it increases its level. So at the time, if you don't stop the flame, the milk will expand. Okay, the milk will expand. So the same is here. When the oil temperature is extreme level, at that time there is no option to expand and or all the space fulfilled, then the explosion vent. So if there is any problem or relay cannot get the senses, then the oil rushes out of the vent. Explosion vent act as an emergency exit for oil and air gases inside the transformer. It is a metallic pipe with the diagram at the one end. In this way, the all component of the transformer works. So in the next video, we will learn the working principle of the transformer, means how the transformer works. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you think this video will help you, you can share this video any social media. Okay, so thank you. I will meet another video. Till then, take care. Tata bye.